Hello, my name is Karam and I'll be presenting the final project of data communication and networking. First of all, we'll be talking about the progress. I just will show the project scenario that is showing the student is trying to access the online learning system located in the OUM network faculties. As it shows here, home network sent to the OUM campus network. Well, we'll start with progress. OSI model is an open system interconnection model describes 7 layers it has that computer system use to communicate over network. It contains 7 layers: physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, station layer, presentation layer, application layer. The contents from the sender side starts from the application to the physical. The other side, which is receiver, it goes from the physical to the application. First, we'll be talking about application layer. It will communicate with the student's computer or online learning system server. It grants a direct interface the student can directly access to the network. Presentation layer, as its here shows, it deals with the syntax and semantics of the information exchange between two systems. It performs data compression for multimedia data before. At the online learning system server side, it receives the data from the transport layer and performs data translation, decryption, and on compression data. Session layer, it mainly helps in setting up, closing, and managing the network whenever two devices get connected. Transport layer, responsible for the process-to-process delivery of the data and performs flow and error control in the data for its proper transmission. At the online learning system server side, the transport layer performs the reassembly and requencing of data. It reads the port number of the data for the header. Networking layer performs the transmission of data from one computer to another in different networks. This layer might not be so beneficial sometimes. So some of the protocols that are mostly used in this layer are OCP, PGP, which is Border Gateway Protocol, and IS. Data link layer. Data link layer performs the physical addressing of data. Physical addressing is the process of adding the physical address to the data. It receives the data in this form of the packets from the network layer and converts it into smaller segment called the data frame. Physical layer deals with the data in the form of bits or signals. Types of signals being generated depends upon the transmission medium. Network components protocol or senders receiver. It contains or 3 5 components involved in this one: message, sender, receiver, medium, and protocol. Of course, the most important thing is message and project scenario. The components refers to the data such as assignment, assignment, or project submission sent from the students. It contains the information or anything that you want to send. The sender is the device that sends the message. The receiver is the device that receives the message. Medium is the physical path for the transmission of data. The protocol is the set of rules that govern data communication, or can be said as an agreement between the communicating devices. Next, let's talk about subnetting. As its here, subnetting conclusion. The subnetting conclusion using class B as its here. And we can see here it's 5 for bits, and here the 11 or the rest of them, like 11 bits, can be calculated by this one. As we can see here, the 11th available subnet is 192.168.80.0. The fourth available address in this subnet is 192.168.80.4. Next, TCP IP configuration. It helps to establish a connection between different types of computer. And of course, as we know that if while we are handling this, of course we need a subnetting, because it limits the IP address usage to write to within a few devices. As we can see here, the steps: just click on Windows key plus R, then type ncpa.cpl. This page will come out. Just press the network connection. After that, click on properties. This page will come out. Press on or click Internet Protocol version 4 IP4. Then click here properties. After that, you can just insert this 192.168.8.0. This is the IP address. Insert here and here for the subnet mask, and the rest is here. After that, click OK. We can compare the result. Before it was 192.168.0.116. The result of the configuration. After that, it's here 192.168.80.4, and the subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. This is the end of this project. Thank you for listening.